ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
سبعة وثمانون
87.
ماضي الأفعال المساعدة. 1.
Past tense of modal verbs 1.
Past tense of modal verbs 1.
لقد توجب علينا أن نسقي الورود.
We had to water the flowers.
We had to water the flowers.
لقد توجب علينا أن نرتب الشقة.
We had to clean the apartment.
We had to clean the apartment.
لقد توجب علينا أن نغسل الصحون.
We had to wash the dishes.
We had to wash the dishes.
هل قد توجب عليكم أن تدفعوا الفاتورة؟
Did you have to pay the bill?
Did you have to pay the bill?
هل قد توجب عليكم أن تدفعوا رسم دخول؟
Did you have to pay an entrance fee?
Did you have to pay an entrance fee?
هل قد توجب عليكم أن تدفعوا غرامة؟
Did you have to pay a fine?
Did you have to pay a fine?
من الذي قد توجب عليه أن يودع؟
Who had to say goodbye?
Who had to say goodbye?
من الذي قد توجب عليه أن يذهب مبكرا إلى البيت؟
Who had to go home early?
Who had to go home early?
من الذي قد توجب عليه أن يأخذ القطار؟
Who had to take the train?
Who had to take the train?
لقد أردنا أن لا نبقى طويلا.
We did not want to stay long.
We did not want to stay long.
لقد أردنا أن لا نشرب شيئا.
We did not want to drink anything.
We did not want to drink anything.
لقد أردنا أن لا نزعج.
We did not want to disturb you.
We did not want to disturb you.
لقد أردت أن أتصل بالتليفون.
I just wanted to make a call.
I just wanted to make a call.